Okay, it is my mobile, right?
Yes.
So, Manha, look at here, all of you.
Miss Bingley has not come.
What am I doing?
Cooking.
No. Woman is thinking I am
You're
cooking.
nothing.
Yes, this type of.
Yes.
Say again.
Woman is thinking I am cooking.
Don't call me, I'm cooking. Yes, like this. You have to do the action and your partner will say the sentence. Oh, Bingley is absent.
You have two chances.
Bingley is absent because Bingley is little bit busy today. I think he has exam tomorrow. Maybe you have to show the action. You cannot show it to anyone. Yes. Only Jaifa will answer. Okay? Maybe we'll show the acting. Only Jaifa will answer. Understand?
Nobody will say.
Okay. Now you have to stand here. Yes.
Is it a hard game or easy game?
And you have to. Yes. Show it.
Extreme.
Yes. You can stand this side. Okay. Start. Show it.
What? Keep saying. Don't kill me.
Oh, it's very close. Another one. Very close. Again. Show.
You cannot say anything. Please, what is it?
Again, show the action. Try.
Just keep showing the action until she says right. Don't see. Don't miss.
You will say she will be winner.
It's their
She will be winner.
It's their game. Don't.
What?
Keep
Can
showing
you
the
say
action
Bangla?
until she says it. Our corridor
No. What is the sentence?
Can I say don't beat me?
Don't beat me. Right. Oh.
Yes, keep.
I'm feeling dizzy. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. But it is I feel dizzy. What is the sentence?
I feel.
But what?
If we are close.
You must do the action like this. I, right?
Miss, how many jumps?
Action should be clear.
Only one.
Thank you.
2 jumps.
Start.
Okay. You have 2 chances, okay?
Don't say. You cannot move your lips.
Move your lips. I already heard that.
I'm sleeping in the bed.
Close, very close.
No, don't move your lips.
I'm sleeping in there.
Can you guess it? No. But you cannot say anything. Okay? It's like one of your videos. That means I read, I write. Oh, you see it on one of your videos.
Okay, say loudly. What do you want to say?
Yes. Yes, Manha.
I sleeping. I am sleeping.
Well, she's very close to the sentence. The sentence is I sleep
at night.
Understand? Thank
Then
you
you
so
have to
much.
show that night. But it's
But you are going outside.
outside. Does it mean that this is night?
Another problem. Does she sleep outside?
That's why you have to show that night.
I think Abrar can act very well. You can see. Okay? Sanika? Everyone, look at them.
Who is
Come.
going to act?
He.
Abrar. Okay.
Please do very
Don't move your lips, okay? Just close your lips.
No, you cannot say. Don't move your lips.
You cannot say any word.
What time is it?
No,
No. Look at him. Rafi, look at him.
just close your lips.
What?
Rafi is very
Act
surprised.
again, act again.
Rabia, don't say. Jaifa, don't say.
What time is it?
What time is it? What time is it? It is 6:30.
Act again. Keep guessing, Rafi, keep guessing.
Okay, no more chance. Why are you late? What is the sentence? Okay.
And Mishal, don't move your lips, okay?
Now it's Mishal's turn. Mishal is going to act and Rabia is going to answer. What?
Can you guess it, Rabia?
What is he doing?
I ride the motorcycle.
Yes, this is right. Very close. Again, show again. Show again. Don't say.
Show again.
What? Say again. Another sentence.
Guess it. Try, Rabia.
I give
First
the
sentence was
bell.
correct. Say like that.
Okay, let her try. Yes.
I give the bell.
Bicycle. I ride my bicycle. What happened to you today? She's a good girl.
Okay, Rishan, are you nervous?
Do you want to act? It is very easy. I hope you can do it. Okay, let's. Manha, look at here. Now it's Pranto's turn. He is going to act. And Rishan is. Don't cry. Very good. Great. Yes.
Are you nervous? Because
Start. Look at here.
oh, okay.
I am angry.
Show it again. You are showing only one thing, but this is a full sentence. You are showing only one part.
Show the full acting, full sentence.
Ah.
Best.
Now you are doing just only one part, only one word. You are saying only one word, but you have to act full sentence.
Yes, acting is hard, right?
Pranto.
Acting is hard, right?
If it was like this, it would have been I am banging the door.
No, not like that. What? You do it again. Okay, I do. Can you try? Okay, she can try. I am.
Give her another
Oh
sentence.
no, it is not breaking. Okay.
Give her another sentence. Try.
No, not another sentence. I am showing. She can say.
I will beat you.
No! But I will love you. I will never beat you. Thank you so much.
love you, Vince.
Very nice. Your sentence is also nice like
Who
you.
is going to act? Yes. What do you think? Can they win?
Okay.
Let's dance.
Yes. Start and finish.
She has told her that she moved her lips. I
Have you
could hear
moved
it.
your lips? Okay, okay. Well, I'm changing
No,
it.
changing the sentence. And Joita, you cannot move your lips. Just act.
Even she cannot move her eyes.
Okay.
Okay, look.
No, you go there. Can you understand this? Nobody understood it, Joita. Show this again. Show this again.
It's hard. It's hard. Okay, what?
got hurt. Can you say that again? Bad.
Yes, they have understood. I lost my dad. Where is my dad? I lost my dad. Thank you so much. Thank you. Start.
একটু অ্যাক্টিং করো, keep acting.
Namira is trying hard. Yes. You try to say.
No, you can say. আবার করো. You can say. Is it the only thing she is acting?
And she is already showing
Yes.
on her face.
No. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Have you got it? I am very happy. Are you happy?
No.
Okay. Thank you so much. Stand here. You have to tell me what. Where? Yes. Start. Look. Maybe look at here. Where are you? Yes!